a grain of salt, and then I worked as a stunt double for Arnold Schwarzenegger. Most of the scenes in Conan the Barbarian are actually me, but the life of fame and riches soon became very so I set up for an around-the-world sail in a rubber. But with any oars. Cool, I used my oars to row down to Australia where I became the first crocodile hunter to kill 1,000 crocs in a single day. Whoa, wow, you really live an incredible life. You really need to take general stories with a grain of salt. A grain? Try a bottle. The phrase "take a grain of salt" is a very common English expression that's at least 400 years old. The phrase is said to come from the ancient Roman author and military commander Pliny the Elder. In a book written in 77 AD, Pliny recounts the tale of a king who would make a concoction of herbs and dry fruit to be used as an antidote against being poisoned. The mixture was not exactly delicious, so it was recommended that it be taken with a grain of salt. Later, the phrase about to mean that when someone says something a little unbelievable, one could take the statements with a grain of salt, meaning not so seriously.